86.
Lower.
Ano lang ito kita 66.
Higher.
68.
Lower. Our content for today is Guess the Prize Part 1. Sige. Text.
169.
Wrong.
Ay! 69.
Wrong.
75.
Wrong.
54.
Wrong.
Up, down. 40. 39.
Wrong.
46.
Higher.
58. 47.
Higher.
Ay! 59.
Higher.
65.
Higher.
90.
Lower.
95.
Lower.
Sa to dalon. Wala way. 69.
Lower.
67.
Higher.
Hala! 68!
Wala ba mo 68 niya?
Oh, 69 may mag-iwan. 69 Ganun ba? Mukhang 69.
Question.
Ang answer kay letter R. A piece of old cloth. A piece of old cloth. Letter R ha? Especially one turn from a larger piece used typically for cleaning things.
Rug.
Correct. Oh, next item, next item. Sige.
Ako ah?
Oh,
48!
wrong.
Wala patay! 54!
Wrong.
52. 52.
Correct.
Ano?
Nakisabaan niya.
Muna na. Question ba rin, ma'am?
Ay.
Answer
Wala
na
pa
isa!
tayo.
Wala ka!
Sige, what do you call, letter R ha, what do you call a competition between runners, horses, vehicles, boats, and etc. to see which is the fastest in covering a set course?
Race.
Correct.
Racing.
Correct, correct. Sige, guess the price.
45.
Wrong.
35.
Wrong.
40.
Wrong.
48.
Wrong.
68.
Wrong.
61. Wala pa tayo. 54.
98.
Huh?
78.
Wrong.
68.
Lower.
Alay! 55.
Lower.
45.
Lower.
Yay, mahal man na. Mahal day na.
Batiin mo sa prince, no?
55.
Lower.
No. 44.
Lower.
39.
Lower.
37.
Lower.
30.
Higher.
Ala! 40.
Lower.
35.
Lower.
32.
Higher.
33.
Correct. An animal or are mammals that are mammals that are also known as bunnies or bunny.
Rabbit.
Correct.
Ah!
Sige, next. Guess the price. Dexter.
24.
Wrong.
Wala ka ko. 25.
38.
Wrong.
Tag 18.
Wrong.
36.
Wrong. Wrong.
Hindi naman ako gusto ha. Kuan. 30.
Higher.
Ah!
5.
37.
Lower.
Wala pa tayo. Ay, karami siguro yun. Hindi ako katubagaan eh. Hindi ako katubagaan na.
33.
Lower.
Ay, wala.
Hala! 91.
Higher.
Okay.
Ako pagin, 32.
Correct. Ibo ka ni. Is an optical phenomenon caused by refraction, internal reflection and dispersion of light in the water or in water droplets resulting in a continuous spectrum of light appearing in the sky. Ito ka na.
Rainbow.
Correct! It's a rainbow. Spell rainbow.
Rainbow ba?
Sige, next. Guess the price, Tiboy.
42.
Wrong.
50.
Wrong.
Wala ko eh. Hindi ko man ayaw eh.
Wrong.
62.
Wrong.
Wala ginuko ko. 54.
Wrong.
52.
Wrong. 4.
Tag 20.
Wrong.
300.
Wrong.
Go, mahal.
88.
Lower.
Hala ko. 55.
Lower.
Halamlam. 55. Lower? 52.
Lower.
51.
Lower.
Wala ginuko ko. 48.
Correct.
Ang question.
Is a large public meeting that is held in order to show support for something, such as a political party. Is a large public meeting that is held in order to show support. In order to show support for something. Correct. Correct. Rally. Sige, guess the price ay
Ay saya, mga 5 seconds yan.
5,
Ay saya.
4.
Tag 21, 63.
Wrong.
Tulong, taga ron.
Yes po, upo. 5, 4, 3.
75.
Correct.
Ha? Wala 70, nagkadaada kayo ko ba? 75. Wala!
What do you call when you are completely prepared or in fit condition for immediate action or use?
Ready.
Correct.
Ah!
Ready? Kasi spelling sa ready.
Ready!
R-I. Sige, Jay, guess the price.
52.
Wrong.
Ala! Nagising! Maganda ito.
Dito boy.
51.
Wrong.
60.
Wrong.
Wala ginoo ko. Ano? Zero na ko.
Wrong, ma'am.
66.
Yeah, 58.
Wrong. Kasi last ikaw, Gino?
Tag 70.
Higher.
What? 75.
Lower.
74!
Lower.
Ay! Boom boom!
21! What is the opposite of the word fake or imaginary? Letter R.
Real?
Correct! Grabe mo.
Real na real! Kantot na! Ala!
Okay, guess the price.
90? Kapila ng
Wrong.
noodles? O niya! 101?
Wrong.
Oh. 48!
Wrong.
49.
Wrong.
110.
Wrong.
103?
Wrong.
52?
Wrong.
75?
Wrong.
78.
Higher.
80?
Higher.
Wala ka!
Higher.
92.
Higher.
99.
94.
Higher.
112.
Lower.
100.
Lower.
96. Hindi na ko kabalik. 95.
Correct.
Ay!
Hello. Gabi si Panoy.
Ganggang.
So the question is, the act of praising or rewarding someone for something they have done. Letter R. Letter R. 5. 4. Ha?
Reward? Bam bam salaw-law.
Sa zanga. Letter R. The act of praising or rewarding someone for something they have done. Rewarding or praising. R. 5.
Pressing.
4. 3. 2.
Racing!
Wrong. Sige. Pilang kayo Pilang kayo makakuha na eh. Sige, the act of praising or rewarding someone for something they have done. 5.
Renewal?
Sinsa wrong. 5. 4. 3.
Ano ya? Karamang reward this.
2. The act of praising or rewarding someone for something they have done.
Kanang reward.
5.
Ako na lang yung siyempre mo.
4. 3. 2.
Reward!
Wrong.
So na yan, receive.
Wrong. Sige. Next player,
Reward
please.
naman gapon na yan.
The act of praising or rewarding someone. Wow. The act of praising or rewarding someone for something they have done.
Mana si
Other terms sa reward or kuan saman. 5. 4.
Re...
Or other terms sa praise.
Ano katawa?
4.
Ako na yan eh.
3.
Praise.
2.
Praise.
Arman.
Ang order eh.
1.
Receiving.
Recognition.
Kanang kuan na 64.
Wrong.
Alam. 66.
Wrong.
62.
Wrong.
50.
Wrong.
100.
Wrong. Pamahal ba?
Kasi kwenta mo. 48.
Wrong.
69.
Wrong.
Balik.
69.
69.
Wrong.
85.
Lower.
Lower ha. Okay, lower na. 60.
Lower.
56.
Lower.
52.
Higher.
Awatan!
54.
Lower.
53.
Sure? Sure?
Sure ka no?
Yeah, sure.
So the question is, nalagi. To persuade someone to work for a company or become a new member of an organization, especially the army. Letter R. 5.
Recruit.
Correct. Aha! Correct.
Nakisabot sa motor.
Sige!
Siguro ko ani ko. Kung tagpila na. 69.
Wrong.
Umiwas ka na sa buhay ko. 33.
Wrong. Ikaw na next to?
Kung mahal ni siya, kung mahal ko talaga siya,
Ah,
mahal ni 143.
wrong. Hala ba?
38.
Wrong.
Barato ba na sukoy? 37.
Wrong.
Barato na din na siya
36.
Wrong.
34.
Wrong.
45.
Higher.
Higher. 45? Higher? Tama. 41. 45 pa nito!
Wala. Sorry.
Ako yun. 47.
Higher. Hindi mo taga si Casey
buhay
ani.
ko, 49.
Higher.
Ano?
Hindi na mo taga.
52.
Correct. Sige! The question is another term for reclaim. Kanang na ticket or na sa tawag na voucher, imong i-reclaim or another term for reclaim. Imong R 5.
Receive.
Wrong. Another term for reclaim. Inyong
Reuse.
wrong. Let's fair place.
Receive.
Wrong. 3.
Recharge.
Wrong.
Replace.
Recharge ang diamond wrong. Imong
I-reclaim.
Oh.
Ako i-report.
Wrong.
Renew.
Wrong. Renew.
Rebus.
Apit naman ako katong robust.
Return.
Saan na?
Revoke.
Araw ng rebook. Redeem. Imong i-redeem. Sige. Guess the price, Tan.
Friends go.
Wrong.
41.
Correct.
Hello!
Watay ba mo pabor ha? Watay ba? Sige. Guess the picture. What is this?
Ready? Listen lagi kayo itong radio.
Sa year. Sa year.
1980.
Sige, ay, guess the price. Oh, di mo palaban, ay. 5,
Alam naman.
4,
Minuto dito.
Anya.
3,
48.
wrong.
Pati wa man ko kay boyo eh. Pantilay nila ko.
5. Di na ma-explain, ay.
Ya para ako na iya. Kana ba para sa?
Para sa samad. 4,
Happy na sa bukton?
3,
Dire sa bukton niya, sa bukton din
2,
54.
wrong.
Gamit ko ni sa una eh. 8 plus 1 man kuno tanaw, 8 plus 1.
5,
45.
wrong.
Ang gibon 8 ko. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 oh.
Huwag mo kapalitugan sa
8
inyong
plus
yan.
1.
5,
9 na siya kapad.
4,
69.
wrong.
Ya pag 69 man niya.
3,
Tap ka sa buhay ko, hindi ka kasi
Two.
nag-aral lang ganyan. 1.
wrong. 4,
37.
wrong.
No. 56.
Lower,
52.
lower,
53.
lower,
50.
lower,
48.
lower.
Nagsaya sa kay di man with wings.
Sige.
Pila to? 48 mo? Gawin ako ibo eh.
5, wrong. Ay, ha?
Nasa oy.
Dagan, huwag yung number.
29.
Lower.
Wala.
Kay Bao gino?
Ano kaburator di ani gay?
Kay Bao gino?
Pahibaw na ko ani.
Five.
Tag 28.
Lower.
Tuara.
Sige, Tan. 5, 4,
Rapor ko sa mga bata eh.
3,
37.
lower.
Boom boom.
Gi.
26.
Higher. Oh, gila ba?
38.
Sige, ma'am.
Pilagay to na. 30.
Wrong. Ay, wrong. Lower.
Pila to?
Wala ka mo naminaw, no? Ang mga lalaki lagi. 5, 4,
Lower sa 20.
3, 2,
Pasin.
Ayaw.
lower.
Wala, barato lagi.
21.
Higher.
Ito mo tito mo gito. 27. Sabi ni pahatag ka ni mo sa hatag ni agaw.
Question. Move or to move at a speed to move at a speed faster than a walk, never having both or all the feet on the ground at the same time.
Running.
Or run, correct. Congrats, shout out ni Aga.
Para ko sa mga bata. Sige.
Guess the price.
57.
Wrong. Half dozen, 5,
36.
Wrong.
39.
Wrong.
74.
Wrong.
84.
Wrong.
78.
Wrong.
60.
Wrong. Ikaw, Anikit, no? 5.
Haha! 56.
Higher.
Hala!
9.
61.
Higher.
64.
Higher.
Ah! 66.
Higher.
No! Ah, 68 na, Loy. 72.
Higher.
63.
Higher.
90.
Lower.
Mahal din na sa day. 66.
Higher.
84.
Higher.
Hala, ginawa ko. Oy.
90 plus ka na.
Mahal din na si day. Puta na, friends.
5.
Anong mahalagin ninyo mga type?
4.
Natag 15 niyo. 87.
Lower.
Ah! 87.
5.
86.
Lower. Sige, 5. 4.
85.
Correct. 85.
Ah, pumuti.
Sorry kayo. Next, the question is a long piece of hard ground which is built between two places so that people can drive or ride easily from one place to other.
Road.
Correct ang road.
Road.
Road kayo mo, guys. You're so wrong.
Maglaba mo rin, Jeffrey.
Sige, guess the price.
70. Higher?
84.
Wrong.
94.
Wrong.
95.
Wrong.
66.
Wrong.
Rock?
Wrong. Wrong.
79.
Wrong.
85.
Lower.
72.
Lower.
Hello! Kuna!
21.
Huh?
21.
Lower. Kami 21. Kamam no kay kaluma kamam. Higher.
Pila mo? 79.
Lower. Nilayo na sa mamo DJ kay mulayo.
Nag-lower kayo, no?
61.
Ano paila answer?
61.
Higher.
Ala! Di na ako kabalik! Kanya high sino?
Higher.
69!
Lower.
Ah! Wadi na ako kabalik. Tan, ano lang ko ito gitahan? 66!
Higher.
68!
Lower. Ah, kadang sino? Ah, kadang.
67!
Correct.
Question.
Question.
Ano ba yan lang patay?
A small circular band, typically of precious metal and often set with one or more gemstones, worn on a finger as an ornament.
Ring!
Correct.
The finger and the finger star.
Mangayo ni ay.
Gusto nyo ba magkaroon ng ganitong t-shirt mga kaisla? Pakishare sa video ito at pakitag sa aming Facebook page para ma-notify kami. Thank you!